Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to turn your blog post, script, or any piece of text into a professional video without editing skills? In this video, I will show you how to use Lumen5, an AI-powered video creation platform, to turn plain text into amazing videos in just minutes. Lumen5 is an online tool that uses AI to convert text into engaging videos. You can use it for YouTube, social media marketing, and more. And the best part, it's beginner friendly with drag and drop editing. Go to lumen5.com, click sign up for free, enter your full name, working email, and create strong password. Then click on create account button. Once you are in, click create video. Lumen5 will ask what kind of video you want, like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Choose the one that fits your goal, then pick a template style, clean, bold, professional, and more. Don't worry, you can change the layout and colors later too. You now have three options to input your content: paste your text or script directly, paste a blog article URL. Lumen5 will auto generate sense, or start from scratch. Let's say you paste top 5 tips to stay productive while working from home. Lumen5 will auto break your text into slides with visuals. Media. Lumen5 auto selects images and videos, but you can change any scenes. Search their media library. From For text, click any slide to rewrite or shorten the text. Design. Change fonts, colors, layout, branding. Upload your logo or apply your brand kit. It's a pro feature. Music. Choose from Lumen5's free background music to or upload your own from media to upload. AI does most of the work, but feel free to adjust any clip or text to match your style and message. Once you are done editing, click preview. Watch the full video to check timing and visuals. If everything looks good, click publish from here. Lumen5 will render the video and you can download it in MP4 file type or share directly to social media platforms. Rendering might take 1 to 3 minutes depending on video length. And that's how you turn text into videos using AI with Lumen5. Whether you are creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or your blog, Lumen5 makes it fast and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI tools and content tips, and drop a comment if you want a full video editing work through next. Thanks for watching.